इस वीडियो को हिंदी भाषा में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चुनें। Namaskar. Welcome to Simplify Your Space. Many people in the comment section often tell me that they regularly tidy their closets and keep their clothes well organized, but within a few days, the closet becomes messy again. This can be discouraging and demotivating. The reason this happens is that we do not organize our closets properly at first place. Organizing a closet involves more than just folding clothes or putting them in baskets. In today's video, I will share some common closet organizing mistakes that we should all avoid to keep our closets consistently clean and organized. So, let's get started. The first mistake most people make is not selecting the right hangers. Many people buy whatever hangers they find in the market and start using them, leading to problems. There are various types of hangers available, so it is essential to choose them according to your needs. For hanging light clothes like tops, t-shirts and shirts, use thin anti-slip hangers. These are flat, taking up minimal space in the closet, allowing you to hang more clothes. They also have anti-slip strips on the sides, which are perfect for clothes with wide necks or straps, preventing them from falling off. In contrast, clothes tend to slip off normal hangers, leading to a messy closet. Wooden hangers are another excellent option. They are sturdy and give a beautiful look to your closet, though they are not anti-slip. I have been using wooden hangers for almost 5 years and I'm quite satisfied with their quality. Similarly, you can use wooden or flat hangers for men's shirts. Flat hangers save a lot of space. To hang dupattas, you can use space-saving multi-hanger of this type. For saris, use special sari hangers that keep the saris in place and prevent slipping. These hangers also hold the clothes higher than normal hangers, providing more space underneath for additional storage. They are also a smart alternative for hanging trousers in men's closet, preventing them from slipping. Keeping clothes in any section without segregating them is a significant organizing mistake. Knowing which clothes should go in which section of the closet is crucial. Clothes for work, school or college should always be at eye level for quick access, whether they are hung or folded. The biggest advantage of hanging clothes is that they remain crease-free, so you don't need to iron them before wearing them. Additionally, hanging clothes allow you to see them easily, making it simpler to select your outfit each day. In the morning rush, easy access to these clothes saves time and prevents irritation. Organize your daily wear clothes on the first or second shelf where you can reach them easily without bending too much. If you wear kurtas at home, keep their matching salwars or pants together in one section. Similarly, for track pants, keep the t-shirts nearby. Reserve the bottom section for occasional wear clothes like party outfits or dresses. This way you will have a well-organized closet that's both practical and efficient. Many of us only use 20% of the clothes in our closets and never wear the remaining 80%. Surprisingly, these untouched clothes just take up space, often because we spend a lot of money on them and believe we will wear them someday. The truth is, no matter how much money we have spent, if we don't like a dress or find it uncomfortable, we won't wear it again. They tend to stick to clothes that make them look good and feel comfortable, leaving the rest untouched in the closet. Forcing these unworn clothes into your closet serves no purpose. It is better to declutter and remove clothes you don't wear. You will be amazed at how much space you will free up by doing this. Here is a tip for those who always complain about lack of storage space. Whenever you buy new clothes, discard some old ones. Purge items you don't wear to keep your closet organized and spacious at all times. Many people keep their handbags in their wardrobe, especially the ones they use frequently. The common practice is to store handbags vertically on front shelves for easy access, but this is an organizing mistake that wastes valuable space. A smarter approach is to hang handbags on the closet door. This utilizes unused door space efficiently without wasting shelf space. If your closet has sliding doors, you can attach heavy-duty self-adhesive hooks on one side of the hanging space to hang bags. Make sure to always maximize the door space by using it for storage. In addition to hanging bags, you can also use this space to hang dupattas, belts, ties and caps, making your closet more organized and functional. To maintain clean and organized drawers, it is crucial to choose the right organizers. Simply storing undergarments and socks directly inside drawers can lead to a mess within days. Using baskets or special undergarment organizers to segregate items is a much better approach. The same method can be applied to organize handkerchiefs, vests, and other small items. For children's drawer, where items are often pulled out quickly, using undergarment organizer can prevent quick wear and tear. Even in larger drawers, when you keep clothes in a file system, they move and often fall during drawer opening and closing. That's why drawer dividers are essential. They keep clothes separated and prevent them from shifting around, ensuring they remain neatly organized vertically. We all usually have one dedicated drawer in our closets where we store daily essentials like wallets, sunglasses, watches, and jewelry. However, this drawer often turns into a dumping zone over time, accumulating shopping receipts, makeup items, stationery, and more. It is crucial to keep this space clean and functional for easy and quick access to our belongings. To achieve this, use boxes, pouches, and small trays to segregate items. For instance, a section box with transparent lid is ideal for storing watches and small jewelry. Transparent lid helps keep items visible and dust-free. A small tray can hold essentials like keys, sanitizers, napkins, and pens. Also keep a small box or bowl for collecting coins. Keeping a separate pouch for makeup items, a comb and rubber bands makes it convenient to carry them when going out. You can also add a zipper bag or box to store shopping receipts safely. Organizing your drawer in this manner prevents clutter and saves you time by easily locating your items. In our daily busy lives, it is common to see clothes scattered or items dumped haphazardly in our closets, especially when we are in a hurry. However, if we continue this practice daily, our closets will quickly become disorganized, making it hard to find anything. This not only wastes time but also affects our mental peace, leading to frustration and irritability. To maintain a tidy closet and avoid these issues, it is important to address any mess as soon as you notice it. Take a few minutes after returning home from work to put things back in their place, whether it is hanging clothes properly on hangers or folding them neatly. By dedicating just a couple of minutes each day to organize your closet, you can prevent it from becoming severely disorganized. Avoid letting it reach a stage where you have to take out everything to fix it, as this requires more time and effort. That's all for today. By implementing these strategies and dedicating a few minutes each day to closet maintenance, you will enjoy a clutter-free space and sense of calm in your daily life. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos. We'll see you all next week. Till then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye-bye.